We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.